Welcome to Vista. So I hope you all are doing great. By the way, I am Amal Sir, your English tutor. This is our first section, and in this section we will introduce you to your textbook. That what all are you going to study this year? How many chapters are there, and what are the things you are going to learn from that chapter, etc., etc. So before I get into that, let me introduce Vista Learning to you. So Vista's Learning is an online educational platform which strives to provide quality education to all students. Right? It helps you students to excel in your academics. Alright, that is our wish and our goal. Now, shall we start? Good. So, there are totally 10 chapters. Okay, in this textbook, in your English textbook, we will be learning 10 chapters. Okay, and the unit 1, that is a chapter 1, will be about household articles. Okay, in that chapter, we will be learning about the things that we use in our house, in our home, and we will be learning one or two poems, a good story. We will be learning about a story. I will tell you the name of the story later. Then in unit 2, we will be learning about buildings. Do you know what buildings are? Buildings are structures, or our buildings are structures where we live, where we work, where we go to study. For example, your school is a building. Your home is a building. Okay, this room is in a building. And this building is where I work. Okay, this is a building from where I work, or from where I try to connect with you guys, where I'm trying to teach you guys. Alright, so we'll be learning about buildings. Then we will be learning about environment. What is environment? Environment is nothing but our surrounding. Okay, then we will be learning about travel, then hobbies, farming, profession. Do you know what profession means? Profession means our job or our work. Okay, then in chapter 8 we will be learning about different kinds of art. There are lots of different types. There are different types of art, and we will be learning about them. We will be learning about the different types of art. Then chapter 9, we are going to learn about adventure. Do you know what adventure means? No, you don't know? It's alright. We will learn it eventually, and we will have an adventure. Okay, we will have an adventure together. We will have an adventure, and we will have lots of fun. Okay. And under unit 10, in chapter 10, we will be doing a lot of activities. Okay. Now I'm going to explain you, what are the things we are going to learn in chapter 1. So what was the title of our chapter? What was the title? It is household articles, and it means the things which we use in our house. Okay. So can you see this image in your screen? It's a clock, right? So we're going to start with a poem, and the name of the poem is The Clock of Life. It is an interesting poem, but we will see it in our next section. Okay, today I'm just introducing you guys to your textbook. Okay, then we will be learning about different household items. You could see a lot of items that we use in our house in this image, right? You can see a drawer, a chair, a table, even a sculpture or a statue of a cat. Can you see it? Alright, we will be learning about these things. And finally, we will be learning about a story about a naughty onion. Okay, alright, that will be all for today, guys. This is our introduction. Like I said, this is our introduction class. We will be learning about household articles from our next. We will be learning about household article. That is our first lesson from our next section onwards. Alright, till then, bye, take care, stay safe. Alright, and remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and please log into our website, that is www.vistaslearning.in. Alright, thank you guys.